Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Breakout Trading. It is Wednesday, February 20th, and we're going to take a look here really quick at crude oil, and more specifically, we're going to look at how we traded crude today, for those of you that were in the trading room. Now, if you're a member at Basecamp, you know yesterday we said we had a bullish bias in crude oil for today. We wanted to see crude head higher, largely due to these bottoming tails we were leaving on the price chart here, where we had run the stops below that pivot low, turned around, closed up, showing an unwillingness for this to sell off. Now, what we were watching when we came in this morning is we said, okay, we have a nice double top at 56.77. We were selling off, but then we ended up coming down and forming a very well-defined hammer on our 240s, okay, and we put in a higher low. So it dropped down, could not break yesterday's lows, turned all the way back around and closed up in a hammer. And if you were in the trading room, you know we were saying this is what we were looking for. We want to see this thing head higher from here. We want to see this thing start to climb. So the hammer triggered as soon as we broke the high, which was at 56.46, but we had already been long, and we just held on to the longs and allowed it to climb, start to really jump here. It ended up going all the way up, breaking through the 77 level, which was then the next step we needed, and we said, okay, now we're clear for this thing to continue to jump, and we snapped in and really shot higher right from there, and ended up making over $1,000 a contract for many of the people in the room. Worked out really, really well. So keep an eye out for this type of thing. We're still in uptrend overall. It's still higher lows, and watch for these topping and bottoming tail patterns. When you're in an uptrend and you start seeing bottoming tails, hey, that's normally going to be the low of that retracement. You can look for it to turn and start to climb back up again. So worked out really well. Great job to everybody that took that long. And for those of you that are still holding on to longs, I'd like to see crude, as you know, continue to climb. We still have longs in there with break-even stops. But that's it for today, everyone. I'll see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. Have a great rest of your afternoon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.